Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to change password on Temu. So to start, open Temu and sign into your account. Next, click on New button at the bottom center. Next, click the settings icon at the top right beside the headphone icon. Once you're on settings, go to account security. Then from here, look for password just below your email. So once you see it, click on edit. Then from here, enter your old password. Once you do that, go ahead and type in your new password. So minimum 8 characters required. Then just re-enter your new password and click on submit, and it will be changed instantly. And that's basically it. So again, just go to U button, then go to settings, then go to account security, look for password and click on edit, and then type in your old password, your new password, and confirm your new password. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.